Why do I love fishing? Why does Maisha love fishing? I love being happy. I love being at peace. I love exploring. I mean, yes, I'm super competitive, but I crave positive energy. And being outdoors just simply fulfills all that for me. Like, I've always been super outdoorsy, but when it comes to fishing, that's just like the icing on the cake. And then there's the tug. I mean, when people always say the tug is a drug, I guarantee you there are no lies being told. I mean, it really is. There's something special to me about being close to water, being in the water, and then there's interacting with the fish while they're in the water. And that is everything, at least for me. One of my goals with fishing is that I hope to help diversify the outdoors while inspiring young girls and boys and women to get out and fish. There's so many things that we could be doing inside, but outside will totally change the way you look at the world. So I challenge you, grab your family, friends, neighbors, and get out and fish. And before you do, stop at Dick's Sporting Goods because they have everything you need to have an awesome day fishing with the family.